Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
You have to keep active all the time. Why I'm saying that? You know, whenever there is a 20 minutes break within the two lectures or what you call periods in the school, you just lie down on your bed or on the sofa. And then you study and then you lie down, you know. So maybe I'm talking about majority of the people, 85%, about 85%, maybe 15% are perfectly fine. But, you know, I want that you people should use your bedrooms only for sleeping. Once you get up in the morning, take a bath, ready with your sports shoes, even you are not going out, and lock your bedroom. Open it only at the night time when you are going to use the bed. Please, by all means, make sure you should not lie down on the couch or on the bed. Make sure you are active all the time. You love to sleep. I know most of your parents, they feel, they all the time, they are very disturbed, disappointed from you because you don't get up early in the morning. And every day they will ask you to get up. You always say, give me 2 more minutes or 5 more minutes. Most of the students, again, 85%. Let me tell, if parents are here, but if parents are not here, students, you must go and tell your parents that Dr. Sahni has suggested at this point of a time, all of you must have 8 hours of sleep every day. Even if you are having a 9-hour sleep on the weekends, please do it so. Sleep gives us a lot of immunity, and especially Corona time, we need it. Sleep helps us to think better, rejuvenate us, gives us energy. It is not fair that when you deprive yourself from sleep on the pretext of I am studying, that will not help you. I want to tell you a very, very important message. If you really want to enhance your performance, what is going to help you is if you like my parents used to say, you know, if you will get up early morning and study, you will be able to retain it more. You know, we never used to like it, to be honest. Today I realized as a scientist, it is not that I need to get up in the morning and study at 4 or 5 or 6. No, whether you get up at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but don't waste time when you get up. After getting up, and if you have started studying immediately after getting up, there is a research which says the retention can be up to 80% whatever you will study. After 2 hours, it reduces down to 63 to 67%, and after further 2 hours, it reduces down to around 47%, and at the night time, if you haven't slept in between, it may come down to 14 to 17%. So what I'm trying to tell you is sleep is the main thing for your performance as well as for your stress management. You can split your sleep into 2 parts. You may sleep for 6 to 7 hours at night time, and maybe 1 hour if you want in the afternoon. Get up, take bath, and then again the same thing will come. The retention could be up to 80%. Sleep well. Parents, don't wake them up if they have slept later. We must learn how we can even learn in distraction. You know, I know that we used to have in Delhi the Monday tests, and we never used to go out on Sunday nights. We never used to invite someone. If some relative wants to come to our house, we say, oh, we are not available. We create a environment where we say, hey, my children has it's a unit test, not even a unit test. It's called a weekly test. And think about if there is a board exams, and if your mama chacha taya says, I want to come with the family and spend 2 nights with you, and you don't want that. You want to have a kind of a curfew. That causes stress. Then even there is a small jagrata, or there is a loudspeaker, or there is a little sound, children say, I can't study. We need to prepare our children that they should learn during distraction also.